Lamsogo Star Career Channel no jotono faide जों दिनै नायलायनाय Indian history ni bisingon tam to tinta part dong kaisa hangke ancient history kaisa hangke medieval history te kaisa hangke modern history hangke chini according to the basic syllabus modern history simi tongo syllabus o ambagai जों modern history simi khaini modern history ni tam part nailai जों दिनै governor generals and viceroy governor general khorobusuk tong khorobusung langka age tai viceroy khorobusung kha abo जों nailai first governor general sabo aborok jotono जों nailai abono जों nailai sikang Star Career channel no kebo subscribe khaya tong hangke subscribe khai redi tai share bo khai redi like bo khai redi tai chini o channel bising tai PDF bo free mannai PDF bro free mannai hingke Facebook hangke kisa technical issue ni bagai जों provide khai mengi tongkha abon bagai norok telegram ni chini group habde Star Career Tripura ni search khai di hingke manthanai norok ajaga PDF manthongnai telegram bising tai norok telegram bro mannai hingke telegram play store of download khaina di abono download khaibe install khaimani ulo chini channel no Star Career Tripura ni search khai dia jaga hingke manana ajaga chini first tamo governor general of Bengal first tamo governor general of Bengal chingu first India o English rok pai from hingke first governor general of Bengal sabo Warren Hastings bini period bisa 1772 nisini 1785 jor but period no muitu khaya nangla oma asik important ya period exam rogo phaya main hingke tamo mung muitu nardi exam of phayo first governor general of Bengal sabo tab chung nailai tabo bini jugo botong fro tam khailangkha tai bini period tam tamo samu kotor khaijaka abo jotono जों details ke rakha ro omo jotono important exam ni bagai exam o kaisa phayo jotono omo Warren Hastings time o tam khaijaka nadi number 1 Supreme Court was established at Calcutta in 1774 omo belakin important omo jardi bini joraono Supreme Court snamjago Calcutta o year 1774 okay tai bono father of judicial reforms in India o hinjago third number ke foundation of Asiatic Society of Bengal by Hastings and Sir William Jones 1784 amra mujanar di jotono important he also established Calcutta Madrasa in 1781 for study of Islamic law no study khaijangan bagai bo Calcutta Madrasa establish khaiya 1781 next inke tamo Lord Cornwallis bini period angkha tamo 1786 nisimi 1793 jora जों tangi omo year kha period borong period mention khai rakha norok saiman nai exam of phayo tamo sequentially arrange khai di rokini phayo bumani pore bu governor general bumani pore phai sabo bumani pore phai abo exam of phayo abon bagai saiman bagai tamo sequentially जों arrange khai rakha enko Warren Hastings pore sa phaikya Lord Cornwallis bottom khaina kanai introduction of civil service bini joran simina civil service change India o Cornwallis is called father of the civil service in India abon bagai civil service introduce khaman bagai bini jorong man bagai bottom hinja father of civil service in India hinjago bini jorong taita mokha zamindari system or permanent revenue settlement in Bengal and Bihar 1793 Azarao permanent revenue settlement khaijaka Taitamangkha next Sanskrit college was established in Varanasi by Jonathan Duncan in 1791-92 abising snamjaka next inke introduction of the Cornwallis Court on the basis of distribution of power distribute खाने बगै 1793 वो कॉर्नवालिस कोड हिनै कैसे करजक ताव नरक चिनि चैनल न सब्सक्राइब खाजि गेंगे खाइरे दे त शेयर खाजि जे मानस सक नरकनि ग्रुप रगो फेसबुक पेज रगो जतो जगनो शेयर खाइरे गेस फाजि जों नेक्स्ट थांलायनाय नेक्स्ट गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ बेंगल ने बुंग दमो सर जॉन शो बिनि पीरियड 1793 सिमी 1798 बिनजरो दामंका नजे चार्टर एक्ट ऑफ 1793 came into the force बिनजरो सिमी चार्टर एक्ट सामगो नांजाखा battle of Kharda took place between the Nizam and the Marathas 1795 और ब्रेन मिस्टेक का किसा दाका नि फेक्या originally battle of Kharda बुफरं 1795 आव साबनि जराव सर जॉन शोर ने जराव Botangi famous for his policy of non-intervention a policy in bagi bo famous next in the Lord Wellesley bo belakin important bin period 1798 nisimi 1805 Boseng Sejong Tamhin called himself as Tiger of Bengal Boseng Sejong Tiger of Bengal ni chongo second he founded the Fort William College at Calcutta belakin important exam rogo Fort William College busa nei okay sen history semi enge answer hi mangla cha okay na je history par enge semai thanai bujaga Calcutta hin semai exam o tei phema sao found kai nai founder sabo ni phema okay sabo Lord Wellesley tei Fort William College bujaga Calcutta Introduction of subsidiary alliance system in 1798 like an important to bring Indian states under the control of British political power or subsidiary alliance system tama जो तो Indian state no British political power ने अंदर हो तुम नन बगे बरो कैसा system उनको कहीं introduce किया next है क्या Fort Anglo-Mysore War 1799 war मुझे नरदे और वो फायो war Anglo-Mysore War बुफरंखा साबने period bu Governor General of Bengal ने जराव फाकिया उनका अब वो फायो exam Lord Hastings Lord Wellesley ni ulo tai khorong itongo Sir John Barlow tai Lord Minto Wan itongo hapono boro asag important ya abon bagai borong ni exam o phaya abon bagai khaya nang yabo asag important ya boro okay Lord Hastings next bin period 1813 simi 1823 tongale bot bin joro tam tamangka tai botam tam khailangka number 1 all Indian territories excepting Punjab and Sindh has been brought under British control by 1818 bin joro onke tamo India ni joto state tai territories tongmani joto no tamo Punjab tai Sindh sara je tongmani state ro joto no brom control pai thanga British ni control bufra 1818 bisingo next third Maratha war Maratha war bufra third Maratha war 1817 simi 1818 Maratha power has finally crashed borong power totally kriya apro abolition of Peshwaship and annexation of all his territories borong ni jotono administration joton power kriya creation of Bombay presidency ni boro introduce khairka publish khairka 1818 next introduction of rotary settlement in Madrasa presidency by Governor Thomas Munro amro joton important rotary settlement bukurang jaka sabai khajaka Governor Thomas Munro by boyero 1821 next first coffee plantation was done in 1823 first coffee khajaka India wo bujaga wo Fort Gloucester Bangalore Bengal Klayomo. Similarly, first the plantation was discovered in Assam with the help of Andrew Chilton and Robert Bruce. Same as Rawan Otamo, Zakai Jaka, Asamugo, on the Asam Tapan famous, Sanitani, Zakai Jaman Jaga, Sabuni, helped by Andrew Chilton by Robert Bruce. Ni help by. Getting class, Asamangka, Hambai Jotono, Chin channel ta subscribe kaya tong hangke, Night Dong Rock. Jotono subscribe kaya ready, like ready, tai chini Facebook page no follow kadi tai norok PDF free manan musung hangga norok chini Telegram o follow kadi Telegram ni bisingti chini je class mani PDF rok provide kajang aro norok jotono PDF free manai